Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice. First, ensure you have day-old chilled rice. This is crucial for a non-soggy result. Next, prepare all your ingredients by chopping vegetables like carrots, peas, and onions, and any protein such as chicken or shrimp. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and efficient, ensuring a delicious outcome every time. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Cook your chosen protein, such as 200 grams of chicken or shrimp, until it's nearly cooked through, then set it aside. Next, add a bit more oil and sauté aromatics like minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your chopped vegetables, cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Now, push the vegetables to one side of the pan and add the chilled, day-old rice to the empty space. Break up any clumps with your spatula and let it heat through for about 1 minute before mixing it with the vegetables. Return your cooked protein to the pan. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, tossing everything together to ensure all ingredients are well coated and heated through. Once everything is thoroughly mixed and heated, taste and adjust seasonings if needed. You might want to add a pinch of white pepper or a dash more soy sauce. Garnish your delicious fried rice with freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve it immediately while it's hot and fresh. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.